I posted on this channel. Okay, but today's video we'll be looking at tricks on how to convert your AI written content to human written ones. As the days prevails, the AI content keep become prominent in the market, and which has also affected some search engines, and have been trying a way to make sure that they stop them from ranking, especially the one generated from ChatGPT, which has been one of the most exciting chatbots for a while. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how we are going to convert AI written content, but not only from ChatGPT, from other AI source to a human written ones. Okay, first of all, let's know how AI content looks like. First of all, in AI content, how you know AI content is one. It has a repeated phrases. Sometimes we have a repeated phrases, and the second thing is that sometimes their sentence structure is not sometimes clear. It's not always clear. And the third one is that it lacks human emotions. It lacks human emotions and also has errors. Okay, that is the fourth one. So in today's video, maybe sometimes you may trying to read or something like that, but I'm going to show you one of the things you use to detect AI content. First of all, before Google, we stop some of your articles to rank. So first, let's use one of the people's favorite chatbots to write AI content. So I'll be using two chatbots. I'll be using ChatGPT first, and I'll also use Google Bard. Then we are going to run text and see how it is. Now let's check, and I'll introduce to you a tool which you can use to check to know whether an article is from AI generated source, and later I'll now tell you how you can change it to human written ones with another tool using a trick. So if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you that trick. Okay, first let's go to ChatGPT. I want to read here, let's write log post about something. Let's just say log writes a blog posts about how to use let me just find something, how to use let me say touch. Let me just use touch. Okay, so let's stop here. Let's stop it from writing so that we can be able to do what we want to. So first of all, let's copy it. We'll press this like a box, copy it. Then we'll now go to, I'll show you two tools which you can use to detect, so that this thing can detect that this is an AI generated content. One is going to be, the first one is called copyleaks.com. You can look at it up in the screen here, copyleaks.com. So click on it. So I already have I'll drop all the links below. So we paste it here and then click check. When we check, what do we see? See AI content what detected. AI content detected. So when you click on this, if you click on the article, you can see that it's 80.2% probability for AI. So let's use another AI detector to check also. So the next one is going to be content scared as AI. So let's check the same content here. You can see the same thing that we checked to the other side. Let's check here also. So you can see. So now click on check for AI content. Let's see our results after predicting. Okay, so you can see 67%. Yes. So why I like this particular tool is that it should show you where this place that is green is like a human written content. The place that is yellow is the place that it has a probability to be like a human and the probability to be AI. So this place that is green is human written. You understand? So it's like human written. So now first thing to do is once you see this type of stuff, you see this type of this thing is that one, your first step, remember the last step is going to be the most trick. But look at the first step to do. So the first step is that you can go back to the your AI chat box. Let's assume we use ChatGPT to produce this. So look at our content. So what you just do is that you can just write, make it you now use a prompt like make it formal, you know, just make it informal or just like friendly and conversational. Conversational. Please remember how to spell this. Don't mind me. Okay, so let's check it again. Let's wait for it. Okay. I think it's almost done. It's almost done. Okay, on conclusion and other stuff. Okay, then let's go and check back again. So once we check back, we check from our contents.ai. So look at it here, content scale, content scale. So let me clear all this one off. So let's check back again. Okay, let's wait. You can see it's 100%. Have you seen it now? 100% because just one prompt. It's one prompt. I changed this to human written content. So, what are you going to do? Human content is always emotional. Do you understand? So it's always emotional. So when you put it conversational and friendly, it tries just try to be as if you are relating to a fellow human. Like one thing wrong with AI content, as I mentioned earlier, is that one is that it's always what? It's always it lacks emotion, lacks emotion. The sentence structure is not always that, and sometimes it repeats phrases back. But once you put this particular prompt, like you make it friendly and you make it conversational, as in conversation, as if you're talking to somebody. Like, look at this now. You can say, like, okay, remember, PY Touch is like your trusted sidekick, always ready to assist you on deep learning adventures. You can see. So it makes it as if he's talking to someone. So because of that, it makes it what? It like a human destiny. It's hard a what? A little emotion. Now, the second thing to do if you don't want to use this particular cheat code, then the second thing is that you now use this particular tool which is called AI context converter. When I say AI text converter, AI text what converter. So please, sorry, I miscalled it. So what you just do here is that first of all, you can see the interface of this app. So it's just like a chat GPT. In fact, it's chat GPT first, but this particular one it has a prompt. You can see a chat GPT logo here where they write our platform uses advanced algorithms to analyze the content and produce output that mimics the way human writes. So what we are going to do now is that let's know how whether this thing works. Is that we check this first, go back to the former one we generated. Okay, let's go back to the former one we generated. Click here, then okay, I think it showed here. So let's go to the first one. Then look at it here. Click copy. I think this particular this thing you can only change. I think it's supposed to be 500 words at a time. But let me just check. I didn't know how many words this one is. So look at it here. So now, first of all, we'll now check. This is normal mode, advanced mode. So first of all, we'll be using normal mode. So once normal mode, so click post the content here. Once you post the content, if you look at the end now, you can see that not all the content entered because it has a number of article that can contain here. But if I want to tell just like you copy like 150 words, so that is some of the downside about this too because it can only contain few words at the same time. So, but I hope in future they will advance it. It can be able to contain 1,000 words, but this particular time, I think it can only contain like 200 to 300 words. So I didn't know. So, but let I understand and know how many words it can contain. So now let's say first another thing you are going to do is that you will now write this number here because every time you post a content, it has a different number appears. If you look at my here now, you can see this is are the numbers I've been inputting most of the times. So now let me click 1511. So let me click convert. Once I click convert, let's wait for the magic. I say title, beginner's guide of using this. So it's not writing those things, writing it, but it's not mimicking human words, way of words, right? Okay, let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Okay, I think it's done. So what we'll just do is we'll now copy this. Let's copy. So let's copy now. So let's click copy and go back to our AI content detector. So first thing we'll be using the other one, the content scale. So just check here. So please guys don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe so that when we create this community together, I'll be posting content back to back, keep on how to do some certain stuff. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss updates. I have a big update coming up. Trust me guys, you guys know want to do that. So make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, then time I release this type of content, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, let's take a check for AI content. Okay, you can see guys, this is not mad. So remember what I used. So some of these videos, one is that we started by generating from that top either of the Google bar or something. So after this Google bar, but this video is really long down, it will be very short. But now remember that we use that GPT generated the content, just suppose take the content and the content was AI content. So I thought that first step is that you want to use a prompt like make it friendly and conversational. So the making it 100% humanity. And the second one is that you can actually use to convert into human content. So guys, please subscribe to this, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share it with your friends, especially those that write content. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much.